Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing the late makeup tutorial. First off, I'll be doing in order of importance to me, in my opinion, starting off with moisturizing your skin. Then applying foundation. I have been using a drop of argan oil in my Covergirl elixir foundation to provide a more glowy finish. Using, a damp beauty blender or Real Technique sponge, blend that in. You know the drill. Now I'm going to be penciling in my eyebrows, not using the pomade because with the pomade I tend to take longer. Fill them in so that your face won't be bare. You have some nice thickness or darkness to your eyebrows, something more to look at your face. Doing my eyebrows this way took me about 2 minutes. Now priming eyelids. Now we are going to prime our eyelids, although we are not going to do any eyeshadow so that we can head out in time. I added some light and medium Fit Me Concealer, I believe, and I added too much light, so make note of that. This process is just so we can add some brightness to the center of our face. And as always, we have to set that concealer with loose powder, with whatever you may have. Now bronzing. I will not be contouring, but I am bronzing to add some warmth to my face. I'm putting that in the areas, as usual, where I'll also contour. Put some on my nose. Later on I'll put some beneath my eyes because of that concealer, that light concealer. Down my neck. Now curling my eyelashes, prepping them for mascara. No time for lashes. Now getting just a random Clinique mascara. I'm putting mascara on my eyelashes. Applying mascara on both top and bottom lashes. Now going in with lipstick. Of course, I'm not going out anywhere, so I decided to use this very bold color, but you can use gloss, liquid lipstick, matte, whatever you want to. I'd suggest to take it with you in case you need to touch up, but yeah. Now adding some inner corner highlight. adding some brightness to the eyes since we have nothing on them. As well as the tip of the nose, regular highlight areas, and you get the gist. Now set it. Set it, set it, set it. I added this part last because I personally am not good at it. The liner on the waterline or eyeliner, whatever you want to call it or whatever it is. I just added it because I felt like it was just too fleshy like. But as always, something goes wrong, so just a quick touch up, fix, patch, whatever. That's basically it for the look, you guys, for the late makeup tutorial. I'm so glad you guys sat through this. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. See you later.